So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if there's no sound coming from your Windows 11. Now there are multiple errors that are causing this issue, but one of the most common is just simply in order to fix that, simply right click on this PC, click on show more options, click on manage. Now once you are in the manager, click on device manager right there. Here you'll find multiple drivers installed for different purposes. Click on sound, video and game controllers, and here you will find multiple sound drivers. Now first of all, find which is your graphics or your processor. Now for in my case, AMD is the processor and Nvidia is the graphics. So simply just click over there and update all those drivers. You can simply click on this option of browse from my computers and hit on this option of browse, and you'll find the just simply update the browser from here. Same goes with the Nvidia, and that's definitely gonna fix your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.